Hello, my name is Ekaterina Isayeva. I'm from Perm State University. I'm going to talk about computer-aided instruction for efficient academic writing. My project replies global challenges, such as call for international scientific communication and knowledge exchange, demand for publicizing in English in top-rated journals, and need to obtain high positions in universities' rankings based on their visibility and recognition in international scientific databases. The underlying problem is connected with insufficient foreign language skills, and this results in low international scientific exchange, slowing down scientific progress, low international publicizing activity at the universities, and thus low position of the universities in the universities' world rankings. If we start analyzing deeper, we will see the aspects which need to be approached. For example, we have a different approach to planning the paper. For example, Russian academics are accustomed to creative writing and writing a story from scratch. There is the principle of storytelling, and that doesn't meet the requirements of European and American academic writing. We have a different culture of text structuring, low experienced in the IMRAD structure, that is, introduction, methods, results, discussion, and conclusion. We have problems with proofreading. We don't see long, complicated sentences, which we are accustomed to. We don't see prepositional phrases. We have problems with excessive passive constructions and inadequate style. And text cohesion is another problem that is connected with low usage of transition words between sentences and paragraphs, and they help to make text cohesive. Part of the solution is automation of academic writing process with the help of open source systems and software for computer-aided writing. In our project, we focused on mind mapping, paper structuring, and proofreading software. We'll start the mind mapping section with Mira, which is quite popular in Russia. It provides real-like whiteboards that are useful for collaborative working on the project. You can draw maps, add sticky notes, you can add multimedia, and do a lot of other things, and they are synchronized with your collaborators. Another program is called Rational. I won't say that it is popular in Russia, but it is quite useful. It helps to develop your ideas in a graphical form. It helps to structure your argumentation, your reasoning, identify assumptions, evaluate evidence. All these things add cohesion to your paper and make it logical. And the strong thing is that this program is created in a user-friendly form. It reminds word processor and Paint, and that's why it won't be a problem to master it. The next slide is devoted to paper structuring and a very interesting online tool called Ginkgo Writer. It is an online tool for guided writing and paper structuring. It provides interactive templates for academic papers, which are organized in a tree-based form. Each card has tips for writing and is linked to child notes. There are several notes. The notes can be moved and rearranged, and this helps achieve cohesion in writing and improving your academic writing strategy. The next online instrument that I'm going to talk about is Coviz. It is used for automatic generation of concept maps. And though this tool refers to proofreading in our study, it is very much connected with the two previous ones, with mind mapping and paper structuring. but it works with the text that is already written. And the principle of its work is as follows. It extracts keywords from the text and automatically tags them to create clusters of the concepts of this text. And this helps to self-regulate during writing and to achieve better cohesion of the text. It helps to visualize the ideas and structure your writing as well. The next tool, Digorganizer, aims at assessing the paper's lexical availability for a potential reader. To upload the text, you need first to choose the relevant period when the paper was written, so you can analyze even quite old texts and the current ones. The result is given in the form of a markup text with highlighted mid-frequency and jargon words. And on the right here you can see the statistics of the paper that has been analyzed, its suitability for general audience, and the number of words and the number of mid-frequency and rare words. Grammark is online software for checking academic style, grammar and readability. It helps identify potential errors connected with passive voice, wordiness, sentence length, transitions, academic style, spelling and other problems. The interesting thing in this tool is that it provides norm setting for humanities, science and web publications, and you know that these genres are different, and that's why the norms are different, and this helps to achieve objective results of proofreading. Marking Made standard version identifies potential style, spelling and grammar problems. The reporting card contains statistics and ratings on different issues connected with paragraph, sentence structure, vocabulary, academic style, grammar, punctuation and general writing style. At the end, it gives the overall score of the paper and provides general tips on the problems found. That's why I would recommend this tool for academic writing instructors, because your students can download the report and send it to you, and it will save your time. PaperID is also based on the tools of artificial intelligence and machine learning. It is used for grammar and syntax checks, writing suggestions, and plagiarism checks. It reports on wrong phrases usages, transitional phrases score, the number of passive constructions and simple sentences starts. This is quite unique in comparison with the previous ones. The usage of academic vocabulary. It provides analytics on the average length of sentences and the balance between simple and complex sentences. Which is also important, it provides a personalized approach to data analysis. It can be used for self-assessment, increasing style awareness, and clear writing. And now my favorite tool for proofreading, Grammarly. It is useful for grammar, spelling, and plagiarism check. It provides suggestions how to correct and improve your paper. It is based on machine learning technologies, and it is available in different modes, as a browser and word processor add-ons, and as a desktop application. So you can use it when you communicate in social nets or writing an email, or for paper writing in your word processor. It is also available for your telephone, and that's why you can use Grammarly everywhere in all the situations. Writing Mentor is a modern add-on for Google Docs. It also uses natural language processing methods, and what is special, it is provided in the form of a user-friendly chatbot, and it gives intuitive feedback on topic development, mood, coherence, editing, and convincing moves. So it can be effectively used for self-studying and for teaching your students if you are instructor of academic writing. Writeful is an add-on to word processor. It helps check grammar, wording, sentence structure. It prompts with academic patterns sorted by the IMRAD structure. And what is specific, you can get an external search for academic vocabulary used in your paper, which is presented in a concordance form. To master these tools that I've just told you about, we have to do a number of case studies. The first one is connected with writing an academic paper and proofreading it afterwards. And the second one is assessing a sample essay written by a non-English speaking master student. And these tools proved their efficiency and user-friendly form. And as a result, we created a feature-specific list of open-source tools for computer-aided academic writing. And these tools can be used for academic writing instruction as well. In conclusion, I would say that automation of routine processes of academic writing is possible with the development of natural language processing and means of artificial intelligence. Regular usage of such automation tools will help develop the academic tradition of agile planning and paper writing as a project, will contribute to international academic communication and exchange of scientific knowledge. Such kind of tools should be included in the course of computer-aided academic instruction for developing and presenting ideas clearly and logically and increasing style and literacy awareness. And we have these tools at our disposal free of charge, open source, and that is very convenient. And finally, I would like to thank you for your attention. You can see my contacts. Feel free to ask me questions. I'm open to various projects. Let's stay in touch. Thank you.